Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I am going to guide you through how you can disable the autosave for MyStory Snap on Snapchat. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, select the gear button. Now, tap on the memories option. After that, you can find the Autosave MyStory Snaps option. Tap on it and then select the Don't Autosave option. And that's it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.